when we print, we need to make sure our print nozzles are okay. So we need to use our file to check whether the nozzles status are okay. Firstly, we can use a paper to check the printhead nozzles. Now we use a white paper to inspect the nozzles status. Okay. Now we can see if it is like this. Okay, then it's okay. If it doesn't like this, we need to use our press ink button to clean our print heads. Okay, then we wipe our print heads to make it clean. Okay, then we can use our white paper to inspect the nozzle status again. Okay, now we can say the status are okay as well. If it's not bad, it's not good, we still need to use these procedures to make it better again.